Let's see.
One red apple hanging on a tree. Two bananas smile at me. Three strawberries juicy and red. Four peaches soft like a bed. Let's count our fruits, come on, let's play. From 1 to 10, hooray, hooray. 5 green grapes in a bunch so wide. 6 bright oranges side by side. 7 pineapples tall and sweet. 8 lemons sour